Alright guys, we are here at Pick and Pull. What is up everyone? Welcome to another episode of Tuned in Washington. We are here at the Tacoma Pick and Pull looking for 2IS parts. We're first going to check out a 2013 on row 16 as well as a 2008 on row 31. So come with us. Hopefully we find some good parts. Alright guys, we're looking for the 2013 IS 250. We're at the Tacoma Pick and Pull. It's on row 16. There she is. These are the facelift tails. Unfortunately, there is a crack on the passenger as well as the driver's. So we got a walled style diffuser. I may or may not grab that. Looks pretty good. And he probably has a muffler delete. Yep, just say muffler delete. Very common on the IS 250 and 350s. Overall, the body's still pretty clean. First initial opening. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we still got the vent. I'm definitely taking this. These are hard to come by and they often break. What's impressive is the updated door panels don't have the sticky dash issue. This one is the two-tone, so I doubt they're as desirable as the black ones. They are overall pretty clean. I may grab them just to have a spare set. Got it. Onto the back panels now. All right, we got it. Just like that, we have a full set of mint door panels for the 2IS. Also, I recommend grabbing the rear view mirror, especially if it's this clean. Common issue is that it gets some discoloration in actual glass. So we're removing the rear view mirror now, and it's a T15. Just like that. Pop the two covers off to expose the wiring. You flip that out. Unplug the wiring, and just like that, got yourself a mint mirror. Looks like the driver's door panel's in here, and that appears to be in good condition as well. So let's go ahead and grab them. On further inspection, looks like there's a nice set of OEM floor mats with Lexus branding. I'm gonna snag these as well. Looks like there's an 08 on 31 as well, so we're gonna go ahead and check this one out. This is a 6-speed manual, so let's see what's left. It looks like it's got some depot headlights, some side skirt extensions, as well as a blacked out grille. All right, we're here guys, here at the end of the row 31. It's not looking good. Looks like someone already grabbed the entire front end, including the depot headlights. Ooh, interior's pretty stripped. This is also the reason why we just grabbed those mint door panels. 2IS, like I mentioned in previous videos, got the sticky dash. It falls right apart. And leave it to Pick and Pull to get the interchange wrong. This is obviously not the 6-speed manual. This is the automatic. And like I also mentioned earlier, this is what happens eventually to the rear view mirrors. They get all foggy and damaged. Floor mat's still there, steering wheel's gone. Seats are pretty ripped up. And it looks like while they were loading it onto these steel wheel stands, they went ahead and cracked the side skirt, so we're not grabbing that. And a bonus, we found another 250 here at 21. This one wasn't even on the inventory, but it could be that it's been here so long that they completely forgot about it because it's just absolutely full of junk. All right guys, we got all the door panels loaded up. Went ahead and snagged that rear view mirror as well as the center vent. Found a GS300 Platinum Edition, so I took those, and I took the rear emblem off the IS250. Any guesses in the comments how much we spent? Here's the grand total. The door panels were $24.99 each. The vents were $5.49. The rear view mirror, wow, was $28.99. I donated $1 to the food bank. They charged me an environmental fee. I think that fee is absolute bullshit. $14.79 with tax of $15.07. The total came out to $165.30. Thankfully, I do shop here a lot, so I had a $20 off coupon for my reward. So it brought the grand total down to $145.30. All right, guys, so that wraps up this week's episode of Tuned in Washington. Thank you so much for coming with us on our junkyard run to find these 2IS parts. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Kevin signing out.